If you're looking to track your team's performance efficiently, Process.st offers a simple, intuitive way to do so, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to leverage Process.st to monitor and improve team performance, and you'll even learn how to use it for free with exclusive bonuses linked below. When you're managing a team, tracking performance is key to ensuring productivity, quality, and team collaboration. But it can be overwhelming without the right tool. That's where Process.st comes in. This software helps you create custom workflows to manage, track, and improve your team's performance, all in one place. It's perfect for businesses looking for an organized approach to handle tasks, monitor progress, and get real-time insights. Let's dive into how to set it up. First, you'll create a process template. This is the backbone of tracking your team's performance. You can design processes that reflect the exact workflow you want your team to follow. It could be a daily checklist, project task list, or any routine operation. Once you have your template, it's time to assign tasks to the team members. You can set deadlines, add due dates, and even create reminders to keep everything on track. As your team works through the process, they'll be able to check off tasks, submit their progress, and even add comments if needed. One of the best features is that you can track real-time updates and instantly see how tasks are being completed. If a task is falling behind, you'll know immediately and can adjust accordingly. You get full visibility over who's doing what and when it's being done. Process.st also offers advanced reporting options, so you can track performance at a granular level, from seeing which team members are meeting deadlines to identifying bottlenecks in your workflow. This tool gives you all the data you need. It helps you make data-driven decisions and ensures that everyone is staying on top of their work. But let's not forget about automation. Process.st lets you automate repetitive tasks and workflows. For instance, if a team member completes a task, you can automatically assign the next task or notify the relevant team members. This reduces manual effort, boosts productivity, and allows your team to focus on what really matters, achieving results. The collaboration features in Process.st are also worth mentioning. You can work seamlessly with your team by assigning tasks, sharing documents, and communicating all within the platform. No more switching between multiple tools or email threads. Everything is organized and in one place. And if you want to track team performance across multiple projects, Process.st offers a powerful dashboard that gives you a high-level overview of everything. You can view performance metrics, track progress in real time, and monitor team workload at a glance. The dashboard is customizable, so you can focus on the KPIs that matter most to you and your team. Lastly, while it's an incredibly powerful tool, Process.st is easy to use. Its user-friendly interface means you won't need hours of training to get your team on board. Simply create your workflows, assign tasks, and start tracking. So if you want to track team performance more effectively, Process.st is a game changer. To help you get started, you can use Process.st for free by clicking the first link in the description below, and you'll even get access to some exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial will allow you to test out all of Process.strt's amazing features, so don't miss out. By the end of this video, you now have a clear understanding of how to use Process.st to track team performance. This tool is an invaluable asset for businesses looking to improve efficiency, collaboration, and overall performance. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link below for your exclusive extended free trial to Process.st.